Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can install Chocolatey on Windows 11. Now the steps are also written in this link here. I'll have this in the description below so you can copy commands by opening this link. Okay, so first open PowerShell. Now we need to open this in administrator mode, so don't just click it here. Click on run as administrator. If you are asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes. And once PowerShell is open, we need to check execution policy. So scroll down here and you will see this command, get execution policy. Now copy it and run this command here. Now if you get unrestricted or if you get all signed, you are good to go. But if you get restricted, then you need to run an additional command. So the additional command is this here, set execution policy to all signed. Now paste it here and hit enter. When it asks you this, just press A and then hit enter again. And now copy this command. This actually downloads and installs Chocolatey for you. Go back to your PowerShell, paste it and hit enter. So now as you can see, it has started installing and downloading Chocolatey on your machine. Let's wait till this is complete. Okay, so after a while, you'll see this message, Chocolatey CLI is now ready. So this means that Chocolatey is successfully installed. To check if it is installed or not, you can just clear the screen and then just type Choco. And this should return you the Chocolatey version. So as you can see, we are using Chocolatey 2.3.0. So this is how you can install Chocolatey. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.